Using Framer Motion in a Next.js project allows you to create smooth animations and transitions for your React components. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install Framer Motion. Begin by installing Framer Motion via npm. Create a Next.js component. In your Next.js project, create or open the component where you want to add animations. Import Framer Motion. At the top of your component file, import the required modules. Animate elements. Use the motion component to wrap the elements you want to animate. You can define animation properties like initial, animate, and exit to control the behavior of the element. For example, add more complex animations. You can animate other properties such as position, scale, or rotation using Framer Motion's rich API. Server-side rendering. For SSR in Next.js, you can use Framer Motion with Next/Dynamic to disable animations during the initial server-side render, which improves performance.